start करें?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So now I don't need to explain you the gross motor and fine motor. Now we are very well aware with all these things. So I'll just show you the activities which we can do at home now for a change. And we can keep on switching the activities whatever we have done till now. अभी तक हमने जितनी किए हम उसको rotate कर सकते हैं कि हम we can add on new activities, and when they get bored we can add on something else we can give them. Okay, so this is also a nice activity that you can prepare footprints, or maybe you can, so here they have to jump in different directions. आज सुबह ही मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा देखा Facebook पे. I'll try, if I have saved it, I'll try to share it. बहुत अच्छा है वो भी. We can do it like we can play with family also. That is very wonderful. For gross motor skills only it is. Right. So you can see in the picture that the child has to jump according to their footprint in the direction. So they have to change the direction again and again. So we can paste it on a sheet and then we can use it again and again. Okay, one time like we have prepared and then we can go accordingly. दो बच्चे तो हमारे घर पे और अच्छा है कि उनके फ्रेंड्स हैं. At least they will get a company. अभी घर पे एक ही बच्चे तो you can play with child so that he'll get a company to play with. Otherwise he will not take interest. जब आप भी थोड़ा सा खेलेंगे then they will be taking more interest and they'll do it. And this is also very nice activity if you can prepare this web kind of thing, and they have to pass through this. So this also children love it. बच्चों को क्या आड़े टेढ़े काम करना ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है rather than सीधा सीधा. ठीक है, आपने देखा है बच्चे कहीं जा भी रहे हैं, जैसे आप एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में भी बच्चे जा रहे हैं, तो आप उनका मूवमेंट देखिए कैसे जाते हैं वो. और स्कूल में जब बच्चे वॉशरूम जाते हैं तो देखो उनको कैसे जाते हैं. They will try to go in different manner. They will explore all the things. स्टेयर से जा रहे हैं तो वो धीरे 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 एक एक स्टेयर चढ़ेंगे फिर एक एक उतरेंगे.
क्लास में अपना फ्रेंड क्या कर रहा है वो भी देख के जाएंगे.
सारे क्लासेस में तो they are very good observer also. They keep on observing. अगर कुछ नया है तो एकदम से उनको क्लिक हो जाता है कि यहाँ पहले नहीं था but now it has come.
स्कूल में कोई चेंज होता है तो बच्चों से हमें पता चलता है कि मैम यहाँ पे कोई चेंज हुआ है, हमें नहीं पता होता है
क्योंकि हम ऑब्जर्व नहीं करते ना, हम अपने काम में बिजी रहते हैं, हम अपनी किताबों में घुसे रहते हैं, हमारे बाहर ध्यान ही नहीं जाता है. बट दे आर वेरी गुड एक्सप्लोरर. वो बाहर ही देखते रहते हैं कि कहाँ क्या हो रहा है. So this is also, this web is very nice activity. If you have the place at home and you can save it, the children will love it. It depends on the place how we can use it. And there is one video, learning station के videos बहुत अच्छे हैं that you can download. And now I would like you all to dance along with this. You will enjoy this. I'm going to play. Sorry, I did not. I'll have to pause it and share it again. Hello everyone. Now everyone is here, so now I'll say hello.
Hi. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
A Ram Sam Sam from the CD Action Fun Dance by the Learning. You can get a Ram Sam.
I could not see everyone. I don't know if you do it or not.
मजा आ गया.
Can you do it?
Awesome video.
Yes, we did it.
We enjoy a lot.
Yeah. It is very good, you know, to activate your brain. अगर brain सो गया है ना तो उसको जगाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये. और बच्चों को बहुत मजा आती है, especially that you have to, every time you have to be a little bit faster, more faster than the previous one. So it's very, very nice. And you might got confused and what to do now. You might have happened, no, कि अब क्या करना है, because it was going faster. So children really love it. So this is again, it is stimulating brain also, right? So have this which one we took it in the first session, no? One that sipping water and all the pace activity, है ना? You can start with that, do pace with your children, and then we can go ahead with this. And this is from Learning Station. I'll share it on the group. And there are more videos available from the Learning Station, which is all from the movements. Okay. So then you can go for it different with the different songs. One is very nice, Tony Chestnut. Tony Chestnut, बहुत ही अच्छी है वो. That I'll try to.
And one more, Debbie Do.
I didn't see. I'll see.
Debbie Do, वो है ना ये positions और ये सब सिखाती है. And Wheels on the Bus से भी वो position सिखाती है, ये सब सिखाती है. That is also good one.
Okay. So please share it on the group. Okay. So if you can. All right. And one more is Lazy 8. It is the sign of infinity. This one. Okay. So this again, keep both the sides of the brain coordinated. Establish a connection between both the brains, so they will remain happy. So this 8 we can do with the hands also, and we can make the children to walk on the 8 pattern. You might have seen if you have given the interview of the car driving. In the car driving, you have to drive, the car in this 8 pattern only. Then only you will get the license for it. Okay.
Yes.
So like for hands, it really helps in improving the concentration. Okay. So with the hands, you have to just keep your thumb in front and look at the thumb. All right. So whatever the direction I will do, you have to do along with me. So we have to do in both the directions and both the hands. Not both the directions. The direction it will start from this. So I go for this. You have to start from the left side, right? Go from the left. So our eyes should be here on the thumb, the nail of the thumb. Your eyes should follow the thumb. You are not supposed to move your head. Head move नहीं करना है. Eyes को आपको thumb को ही देखना है और thumb move करना है. Like this. In the 8 pattern. 8 shape में आपको thumb move करना है and your eyes should be on the thumb. So you have to count how many you have done. Like 3. So when we start, it goes like this. You have to go from the left side. You have to go like this. The first movement should be towards the left side. ठीक है, left side से घुमाना है. That should be the correct one. 1, 2, 3. इसका जो पूरा एक सर्कल है वो सेंटर पे खत्म होगा क्योंकि हम सेंटर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. 4, 5. Suppose we have done it 5 times, so we will do with the other hand also 5 times and in the same direction. ठीक है, फिर अब दूसरे हाथ से करना है. Again, you have to go towards the left. It's very good exercise for developing the concentration, for the coordination of both the sides of the brains. 3, 4, then 5. So as many times you do it with one hand, you have to do it with the another hand also. तो दोनों बैलेंस में रहना चाहिए. जितना आप एक हाथ से कर रहे हैं उतना आपको दूसरे हाथ से भी करना है. And you can draw it on the paper also for the children to move the crayon in this direction. It will help in eye-hand coordination also. It will develop the concept of handwriting also. Okay. Handwriting जो letters हैं वो हम write in these directions only. So that will be easily developed. They will learn the writing also easily with this. And here is a video which will show you the advantages. Are you able to hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So
Yeah.
these were for gross motors. Is the screen visible to you? No. Screen visible
No.
है ना सबको?
नहीं है, नहीं दिख रही मेरे को।
आपने वीडियो देखा?
नहीं, स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है। विजिबल है वीडियो देखा?
नहीं, अभी आप देख पाए 8 पैटर्न?
नहीं अभी नहीं।
सिर्फ आवाज सुनी आपने?
रैन वीडियो देखा, कुछ भी
नहीं
देखा। एक पैटर्न भी दिखा था, बट उसके बाद अब कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है।
अरे तो मैंने पूछा था तो बोलना चाहिए था।
98 दिखा
आवाज आ रहा है।
8 पैटर्न दिखा था। मैम अब दिखा है?
आप दिख रहा है।
मैम दिख रहा है।
Oh my god. चलो I'll play it again. No problem. I just shown one video. ये वीडियो है ना? Again I'll have to check whether I have. Actually sharing. No, I have to share the computer sound. I thought you all are seeing. Okay, fine. Here it is. अभी दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Walking in the 8 pattern helps you improve eye-hand coordination. It has several benefits too. Here are some of them. It
Sorry.
Walking in the 8 pattern helps you improve eye-hand coordination. It has several benefits too. Here are some of them. It helps develop your body's awareness levels and also helps improve concentration. You can learn more about balance and rhythm through this walk. The walk has the ability to help one build new skills. It also helps gain confidence and helps you to be better coordinated. Try doing the walk on a regular basis and you will begin to respond to changes in the environment and will be able to channel it into systematic skill building. Infinity Walk has been used by therapists around the world for patients with brain injury. It helps a person in developing multisensory integration, especially in those with learning disabilities. Overall, it helps improve the brain function.
That's it. It was for the 8 pattern. तो आप है ना ground जैसे floor है उस पे भी आप है ना ऐसा 8 बना सकते हैं बड़ा सा and then ask them to walk in the 8 pattern, right? 8 shape में उनको चलना है. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Alright. Or either you can put a big cross in the center and then the cross they will follow the 8. If they are grown up children, they will be able to make the 8. छोटे बच्चे हैं तो आप उसको 8 shape में बना सकते हैं. Or you can make them to walk in the straight line also. The second is fine motor skills. So there is one more very nice activity which really helps them to feel independence also. That the buttoning, zipping and lacing. For buttoning, if they are like closing and opening the shirt buttons, right? So here they are using their pencils, grips, and they are developing the fine motor skills. And they will love to do this activity, and they are trying to dress up on their own. They will try to close their own buttons on their own. So it will develop the confidence also, and it will make the children independent. Like आपको उसको कपड़े पहनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े. So he'll feel more confident कि अब वो खुद से काम कर सकता है. Like he can dress himself. So this is really very nice activity which children love to do. Buttoning बच्चों को बहुत पसंद है. And initially we can start with the big buttons and then give them the small buttons. So if you have the dresses or shirts, you can give them, or you can separately you can make it as a part also of it so that they can use it. I'll show you one video which is of Montessori classroom video. It will show you how we use it. I think again I'll have to. You can't see, right?
No, right now, not.
As with the other tying frames and snapping frames and zippering frames, the purpose of this work is to create independence. A side note and another advantage of doing this is they will get a lot of finger strength and fine motor practice, but the main focus of this work is to build independence. And you'll notice your child be very proud of themselves when they're able to button and zip and tie things all by themselves. I know as non-Montessori parents, before I knew about the Montessori program, I was completely guilty of doing everything for my child. I would zip up their coat, get them ready to go outside, and not allow them the opportunity to do it themselves. What you will need for this work is something for your child to button. We have found this wonderful buttoning frame. This is the traditional Montessori material that we bought from the Montessori Education Supplies website. And the great thing about this is it isolates what it is you're trying to teach the child. So it's on a nice frame. It has big buttons that the child's hand can grasp. So here is the button lesson. You'll teach them how to use both hands with their paper, and they'll hold the button.
क्या करना सिखा रही हैं आंटी छोटे बच्चों को? कौन छोटे बच्चे? आपको। मैं क्यों नहीं लाते ये? गांधी के आप ये क्यों नहीं लाते पहले? जब लॉकडाउन खुलेगा तो लाओगे? मम्मी पेन दे दो ना। देखो कौन
That is our lesson on the button frame. It's a very simple lesson, but young children will really enjoy learning how to do these things independently.
All right, so this we can do at home.
अभी ढूंढ के दे रही हूँ।
Really give them opportunity to do something with their fingers also, and they have to do it. I hope कभी किसी ने ट्राई किया है बटन्स करवाना उनको? आप उनके बच्चों को कपड़े पहनाते हैं तो खुद से ही कर देते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we don't believe कि बच्चे कर पाएंगे, but they would really love to do it.
My daughter used to do it.
And जब मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे ना, I used to just leave it that you do on your own. जितना वो मतलब करना चाहते हैं, I provide the opportunity. अगर जैसे कहीं जाना है, if they want to do something else, they can dress up themselves. तो उनको थोड़ा सा पहले बोलिए कि ready होना शुरू कर दो, because it will take time, so that we are not out of time. जैसे shoes है, अपन बच्चों को खुद ही पहना देते हैं, but let them wear their own shoes. Okay, and try to bring, if the child is in KG2, try to bring the lace shoes and teach them how to lace the shoes. उनको lace बांधना सिखाओ. They would really love to do it. We used to teach it in the classroom, and they really take interest and they try to do it. So that is how they will learn. अभी now what happens? We just get them the Velcro shoes. हम उनको Velcro shoes खरीद देते हैं, तो जिससे उनको समझ में ही नहीं आता है कि बांधनी आनी चाहिए. फिर बच्चों से खुद के बैग भी टाई नहीं होते हैं. Okay. So even in the classroom also we have to give them lace. Zip also you can give how to close the zip, open and close it. So that in Montessori we have 8 types of frames. Like press buttons also comes, no? The big press buttons and small buttons. So give them the press buttons also to do it. For very small children, like 2-3 years old, they can do it with the press button first. So we begin with the press buttons, then we go on with the buttons. In books also they must know how to close the books, open it. We have 8 different types of frames. We even teach them how to lace it. मतलब होल्स में लेस डालनी है तो वो क्रॉस पैटर्न कैसे बनता है, एक स्ट्रेट पैटर्न बनता है, दैट आल्सो वी यूज्ड टू टीच कि क्रॉस कैसे बनेगा. So and then they practice, so they really enjoy this, and try to take 2 different colors while we are teaching them lacing, no? So if we take 2 different colors, then they will be able to get the concept कि कौन सा किसमें जा रहा है. Otherwise it would be difficult if it's the same color. It would be difficult for the children to lace it, right? So in the beginning we can start with these activities. These are also very nice activities which helps in the eye-hand coordination also, which builds the eye-hand coordination, which helps in the fine motor skills development, and then develop the independency also. It gives them the feeling of independency that they can do something on their own. So that also develops. They are being independent. And once they start doing it, they will not allow you to do it anyhow. They will say कि आप मत करो, मैं खुद कर लूंगा क्योंकि मुझे अब आता है. जो काम उनको आने लग जाता है, they will never allow you to do it. आप कर भी दोगे तो वो फिर से करेगा उसको. So it's better to give them time to do on their own, because these are the only
Ma'am?
things which makes them confident. Yes.
मैम कोई अब ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकता है ये?
हाँ कर सकता है, like I am allowing, ठीक है, क्योंकि हाँ ज़्यादा participants तो join कर ही नहीं पाते वैसे भी लोग, so that is why there is no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all for today. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Any suggestions?
एक्टिविटीज बहुत अच्छी हैं तो हम खूब एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू मैडम फॉर ऑल सेशंस.
थैंक यू. मेरे पास बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज है, इवन आई गेट पजल की कौन सी बताऊं कौन सी नहीं बताऊं, मेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाता है. All right then.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, bye-bye, ma'am. Take care. Take care, all of you.
Bye. Bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Nice time.
Tomorrow I think language development. We will talk about the reading. Reading अच्छे से करके आना, practice करके आना, reading practice करके आना, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
Tomorrow I'll make you to read something, so you have to practice.
मैडम,
Yes.
I send your number.
Okay.
मैं आपको नंबर सेंड कर दूंगी. Then you add her.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
you.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
और